mina ngimla ngizokhuluma okuyikho engikwaziyo engingakwazi angikwazi futhi unenkinga lokho akafuseke awu ngiyaxolisa awu siyasonta awu ngawu haleluya awu ngimthethelele bangcwele ziyakhala manje okubalekile ukuthi angilazi iphunga ngaye usiphathile kwiprovince ephethe inhlangano abusa kuyona okuyona yasikhulula ukubusa kwakhongolose la ngikhuluma umlando wakhe la ngikhuluma umlando wakhe angimkhankaseli anginendaba nomuntu wena wenzani kodwa 2004 ukuze ukhongolose agcine ephathile la kwaZulu.
A prayer service in support of suspended Police Minister Senzo Mchunu was held in Durban on Saturday, drawing scores of supporters, religious leaders, and members of the African National Congress. The gathering forms part of a series of prayer events organized for Mchunu, who has been on special leave since July last year, following serious allegations of interference in police operations and alleged links to criminal elements. The accusations were made by the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and ultimately led to the establishment of the Madlanga Judicial Commission of Inquiry to investigate the claims. Supporters dressed in ANC regalia filled the venue alongside representatives from various religious denominations who gathered to pray for the embattled minister. Saturday's event marks the third prayer gathering held in Mchunu's support since he was placed on leave after authorizing the disbandment of the SAPS Political Killings Task Team on 31st of December 2024. Before a similar prayer event held earlier in Mpumalanga, Mchunu's spokesperson Thembiso Mshengu clarified that the minister had no involvement in organizing or funding the gatherings and would not attend. And said they did engage him on their initiative and he felt there was nothing untoward, especially when the faith groups hold such a prayer in his name as they may do with anyone in the Republic or beyond. The prayer service comes as scrutiny around the minister continues to intensify. General Mkhwanazi has accused Mchunu of wrongfully dissolving the Political Killings Task Team, a specialized SAPS unit tasked with investigating politically motivated murders. Mchunu has acknowledged disbanding the unit, claiming the move was taken with the approval of President Cyril Ramaphosa. However, he also admitted that the decision was made without consulting National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masemola. Evidence presented before the Madlanga Commission has further suggested that the disbandment of the unit may have benefited criminal syndicates that had infiltrated sections of police service. The minister has also faced allegations linking him to alleged cartel kingpin Vusi Musiket Madlala, claims that have been raised by witnesses appearing before the commission. Despite the allegations and testimony presented during the proceedings, the presidency has confirmed that Mchunu was not implicated in the commission's interim report. The document remains confidential due to its interim status, with the final report expected once the commission concludes its work. Among those in attendance at Saturday's service was the president of the Amabhinqa Nation, Ngizwe Mchunu, who joined religious leaders and supporters in prayer for the suspended minister. The outcome of the Madlanga Commission is expected to play a crucial role in determining Mchunu's political future once the final report is released. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.